First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now tap the Filter and Sort icon. Turn on Show System Apps. Then tap OK. Now tap the Search icon. Search for USB-C. You should see the USB-C headset option. Tap USB-C headset. Then tap Force Stop. If a confirmation message appears, tap OK. Now go back to the previous screen. Find and tap USB Settings. Then tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now go back to the main settings page. If your USB-C headphones are still not working, scroll down and tap Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, scroll down and find the Disable USB Audio Routing option. Find Disable USB Audio Routing. Make sure this option is turned off. If it is turned on, tap the toggle to turn it off. Now connect your USB-C headphones to your Samsung phone again. Your USB-C headphones should now start working. That's it. This is how you can fix USB-C headphones not working on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.